Is starting an SEO career a good decision 2003? So there's two ways to look at it. Firstly, when you're first coming out of university or whatever, college, or maybe you just went straight into the workforce, it's not very important that you start specializing right away. It's better to start off as a generalist. It's better to get into a general marketing role if that is what you want to do. If you want to get into marketing, I think that's the first decision you need to make. If you want to get into marketing, the first decision you make is working at a general job. This will expose you to social media. It will expose you to performance marketing. It will expose you to paid ads, SEO, content. So it will expose you to a whole bunch of different avenues. Now, from there, you can start deciding, hey, what is the one thing that I do want to specialize in? Because it's very rare that someone's going to be an expert in all of these things. You can either stay a generalist or you can decide to specialize. At this point, you'll have a better idea as to what is a better fit for you. If you love social media, then yeah, probably don't do SEO. If you love pay per click, paid ads, then yeah, don't do SEO. But if you love SEO and you want to get into SEO, then yeah, 100% this is a great time to get into SEO if you're passionate about it. And the reason why I think you need to be passionate about it and you have to have experience all those other things before you decide is because this is not an easy road. You have to come over a lot of rejection, a lot of setback, a lot of delays in your progress because SEO takes a lot of time. A lot of people don't really get it. But if you do become good at it, there's tons of opportunity. It's a really chill job. You can do it from anywhere in the world. It's mostly you're spending a lot of time working and you're talking to interesting people and you're doing a lot of analysis. It's a very analytical job and it touches everything. You have to be a little bit technical. You have to be a little bit creative. You have to be a little bit into the spreadsheets. You have to be a little bit into the content and the copywriting side of things. You have to be aware of how the promotion works. It really encompasses a lot of very interesting avenues. And there's a lot of demand for it. There's a lot of people hiring for, I know a lot of agencies hiring for SEO people, especially at the higher levels. That's the other thing. That's why you have to be passionate about it because until you are 2, 3 years in, it's kind of like you're in that area where you're not providing as much value as the person training you or the person who's hired you is actually investing into you. You have to get over that hump. It helps by doing it by yourself, having a job and working on SEO on the side and just training up your skills. But once you do get to that level, there's a lot of opportunity. A lot of VPs of marketing, a lot of directors of marketing. You need to know SEO if you want to become one of those roles or at least a general level because it's extremely valuable in the mix itself at this point. And then I know a ton of agencies, I know a ton of companies currently hiring SEO people. I can't tell you if that's going to continue forever, but the 9 years that I've been in SEO, it's gotten bigger every single year. I don't know what the future is, but if the history is a good predictor of the future, I think it's going to continue to go up and there's like tons of opportunity.